Hi, I'm Jessica here at Eagle Creek's headquarters, and these are our packet Specter Tech Cubes. I love cubes for helping me stay organized inside of any travel bag. And these guys I love because they're ultra light and they have a full zip opening, which helps me to easily access my clothes. I love the fact that the lid on the textile folds under because it allows me to just put this into my hotel drawer and quickly unpack. You'll also notice that I've rolled my clothes, and that's because it helps me to fit more into every cube. It's got soft repairing zippers and these nice pull tabs for easy access. You've also got a top and a bottom grab handle, and the material on top is translucent so that you can easily see what's inside. Now, these cubes come in an extra small size, which I love for packing socks. Also the small size, which is great for t-shirts, pajamas, underwear. The medium, which is great for jeans, longer sleeve t-shirts, etc. And then the large, which is great for winter clothing, jackets, sweaters, etc. Now, these also come with snazzy compression in the small and medium sizes. So to use that compression, you'll just locate the compression zipper on the side and then just zip it all around. Everything is now nice and compressed, so you're ready to go. So if you're looking to impress TSA with a really well-packed, well-organized travel bag, pick up some Eagle Creek cubes before you head out on your next trip so that you can pack like a pro with Eagle Creek.